Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today, I'm going to show you how to make delicious low-carb, keto-friendly chocolate chip peanut butter cookies. They're super easy to make and perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth without breaking your diet. But first, a special thanks to Heavenly Fan for sharing this super simple recipe on her YouTube channel. Now, let's get started. Here's what you'll need: 240 grams, or about 2.4 cups, of blanched almond flour, 6 tablespoons of low-carb peanut butter, 5 tablespoons of zero-calorie erythritol like Swerve, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and half a cup of sugar-free chocolate chips. First, add the almond flour, erythritol, peanut butter, and baking soda to a large mixing bowl. Use a fork to mix everything thoroughly until it forms a dough. Once everything is well mixed, add in your sugar-free chocolate chips and give it another good stir. Now, we're going to form a large dough ball. Make sure everything is well combined. Next, divide the dough into 12 equal-sized balls. You can use a spoon or just eyeball it. Place them evenly apart on a large baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Press the balls down using the palm of your hand to a thickness of about 1/4 inch or about 6.4 millimeters. Perfect. Now, we're going to bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 177 degrees Celsius, for 12 to 15 minutes, until the edges become golden brown. While the cookies bake, let's take a moment to appreciate how easy this recipe is. And don't forget, the macros are listed in the description below, so you can keep track of your intake. Our cookies are done. They look amazing. Let them cool on the baking sheet for 5 to 10 minutes until they harden. And there you have it, delicious low-carb, keto-friendly chocolate chip peanut butter cookies. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Happy baking!